student, today we will discuss about LED bulbs. This topic is very important for engineering students. If you have not subscribed, then press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Creating LED bulbs at home can be a fun and rewarding DIY project. However, it's important to note that creating electrical devices requires a certain level of expertise and caution, and can be dangerous if not done properly. Therefore, it is recommended that you have a good understanding of electronics and electrical safety before attempting this project. Here are the general steps to create a LED bulb at home. Gather materials and tools. You will need LED chips, heatsink, LED driver, resistors, a circuit board, wires, soldering iron, and other tools like pliers, wire cutters, etc. Choose your LED chips. You will need to decide on the type of LED chips you want to use in your bulb. There are many options available with varying brightness, color, and size. You will also need to consider the voltage and current requirements of the LED chips. Solder the LED chips onto the circuit board. Once you have your LED chips, you will need to solder them onto the circuit board. You will need to be careful to avoid damaging the LED chips during the soldering process. Add resistors. You will need to add resistors to the circuit to regulate the amount of current flowing through the LED chips. Connect the LED driver. You will need to connect the LED driver to the circuit board. The LED driver is responsible for converting the AC voltage to DC voltage and regulating the current that flows through the LED chips. Mount the heatsink. You will need to mount the heatsink onto the LED chips. This is important to prevent the LED chips from overheating and to ensure they operate efficiently. Connect wires. Finally, you will need to connect the wires to the LED driver and the power source. Again, creating LED bulbs can be a complex process, and it is important to have a good understanding of electronics and electrical safety before attempting this project. It's important to note that creating LED bulbs from scratch can be challenging and potentially dangerous. It's recommended to purchase LED bulb kits or pre-made LED bulbs instead of attempting to create your own from scratch, especially if you are not experienced with electronics. Dear students, also comment us in which topic do you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.